So those are the individual components. Okay, so if I wanted to, I could just right click right on here and say delete, and it's going to delete that, and you'll see it's gone from my system browser. Click over here. Now the circuit's for the most part gone. Tab, click on here. I still have to get rid of the wires. Take those off because I want to keep them, and then hit delete, and then we can clean it up. Okay, so it's cleaned up, and we'll notice that circuit 13 is gone out of here. So to add them back in, all you have to do is go back in here, which is kind of the other half of the example, using my control button. Just like everything else, you pick the components, and then you pick the equipment and the devices. Okay, and then once you have them all selected, as long as they're all able to be created into a circuit and none of them are part of an existing circuit, you'll have your power button, and that's what creates the network. From there, you can make the wires two different wire styles or not. Okay, from there, you can go in and edit the circuit and add and remove components, or you can add, select a panel. So you can select the panel now, or you can select the panel from within here. It doesn't matter. So let's go in here and say edit circuit. Once they're inside of there, there's that select from panel. Add and remove components. Very straightforward stuff. Okay, hit finish, and we're done. So now if you hover over this, tab, okay, there's the electrical circuit, but it's unnamed. Once we pick on here, it's the first click from the network. Then we go in here and say, select the panel. Now, watch what'll happen down over here. Go back over to here to my mechanical room, hover over my LP2 panel, pick on here, in it goes. Okay. And now if I go back down here, you'll notice there it is. Okay. Circuit 13 is back.